I have another fun simulator to show you. I'm going to use this to demonstrate electrical short to ground and electrical short to power. Now, the simulator allowed me to put a battery, a fuse, a switch, electrical conductors, a load, and a return back to the battery. Clicking on the switch will complete the circuit, and you can view the current flow as well as the illumination on the bulb. Clicking the switch again will open the circuit and the current will stop flowing. If I bring another wire into the circuit and connect that wire up to the ground side and connect that over here just past the switch. Now currently nothing happens. However, that wire will bypass the load, and that's called an electrical short to ground. Closing the switch will cause the circuit breaker to pop, and that saves the system from burning up. The circuit could be constructed without the circuit protection of the fuse. However, if you create that electrical short to ground without a fuse, and then you complete the circuit, well, we're looking at a fire or something seriously burning up here. So the addition of circuit protection is extremely important. If I return back to my original circuit with the circuit protection, closing the switch once again shows a properly operating circuit. Now, if I take an additional wire and connect it to the positive side of this circuit before the switch, and then I connect the other end to the circuit after the switch, this is what we call a short to power. This causes the light bulb to be on all the time, regardless of the position of the switch. I can turn the switch on and off, and yet the light bulb does not respond when I disconnect that switch. Once again, this is a short to power where I'm bypassing the switch. In this example, I have built two separate circuits running off the same power source and the same fuse. I can activate each light bulb individually by operating the individual switches. I can operate them both at the same time or turn them both off. They are separate circuits using the same fuse and the same power supply. Another example of short to power would be if I accidentally had some sort of a connection after switch number 1 but bypasses switch number 2. This type of circuit would activate both light bulbs from either switch. This is an undesirable effect and not the proper operation. This last wire that I placed in here provides a short to power which causes this effect.